Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. We are going to be doing a little bit of broccoli. So the same thing, we're going to go through the process. We're going to take a piece of paper towel. We will put in our broccoli seeds. Then I moisten the towel and then fold it over on itself. And then again, if you don't have a container like I'm using here, I'm using just a regular plate, you'll want to cover that with plastic wrap, and that will just keep the seeds from drying out. So this is day number 1, germination day, and I will keep you updated on the process. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing a series on the broccoli as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And just as a final note, if you're into baking and cooking, I do have a large recipe channel. You can check me out over at Bake Like a Pro, youtube.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.